Hello, this is me again. Tonight we're gonna make German cheesecake and it's called a German Käsekuchen. I used the ready mix which I bought at Edelweiss Village. It's really very easy and I promised that some time ago that I will show my friends because it's only in German. The instructions is only in German, so I'm gonna tell you guys how to do it. We have basically the flour and everything, and we have for the cheese cream, and I start with the basically dough. It's 1 egg, the flour mix, and we have about 100 grams of melted butter, so I add it to the egg. And I also add the flour mix to the butter. And then I get my electrical mixer. I just put it on either 1 or 2 and whoops, can happen. Mix until we have crumbles. They look like this. Okay, see you at part 2.